Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video where I wanted to tell you and show you that spend permissions are live on BaseApp MiniApp. And as you can see here, I am actually showing you my Android phone, and I will show you a demo of a mini app that I constructed to show you how the request spend permission flow works. And so I don't have the spend permission manager contract as one of the owners of my base account. So that means that when I ask for the first spend permission as a user, I get prompted to this initial window that asks me to enable spend permission. So I will be signing this, and then I assume that once that's done, then I will upgrade my account. And now we're updating the wallet. So what's happening now is that we are adding the spend permission manager as one of the owners of the wallet. And so now I can actually allow the spend permission. Look at this cool window. It's amazing what you can do now. So we are granting some, wallet address access to $1 per day. And yeah, this is how it works. And so after that, you can start using the spend permissions. So how is this implemented? Let's take a look. So this is very simple, actually. All you have to do is instantiate a new instance of the SDK, and then you can start using the helpers such as a request spend permission. This is amazing for games, for apps that require multiple approvals or limited approvals that show to be not very safe lately. So I think this is a great tool that you can use in your mini app to make sure the user experience is smooth, make sure that you are keeping your users safe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, if you have any feedback about this feature, and excited to see what you build with it. See you soon.